Hey, everyone! Today we're diving into something really exciting in the AI world. You've probably heard about OpenAI's Deep Research tool. It's incredible, but that $200 monthly subscription? Not so much. I've got great news. There are 4 amazing open source alternatives that can give you similar capabilities without breaking the bank. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI content. All the links to these projects will be in the description below, so don't worry about writing them down. Let's start with DeepResearch by Jina AI. This is basically a clever recreation of OpenAI's approach using NodeJS. It breaks down the process into simple steps. Search for information. Read the content. Apply reasoning. Repeat if needed. What's cool about this one is that it uses Gemini Flash and Jina Reader to handle the heavy lifting. It's like having your own research assistant that can dig through content and make sense of it all. Next up is OpenDeepResearcher. This is a fantastic tool that takes your research topic and runs with it. Here's how it works. You give it a topic. It searches the web automatically. It analyzes the pages it finds. If it needs more info, it keeps digging deeper. Finally, it creates a comprehensive report. The best part? It's completely open source, so you can customize it to your needs. This next one is really interesting. It combines Firecrawl's extraction capabilities with a powerful reasoning model. Instead of using expensive fine-tuned models, it takes a more practical approach. Uses Firecrawl for web data extraction. Applies reasoning models to understand the content. Processes large amounts of web data efficiently. Last but definitely not least is DeepResearch. This one's my personal favorite because of its flexibility. You can control both the breadth and depth of your research, and it has some really cool features. Parallel research threads, recursive iteration, automatic adjustment based on your time preferences. Run it for 5 minutes or 5 hours, you decide. All these tools are completely free and open source, which means you're not just saving money, you're also getting the freedom to modify them for your specific needs. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description below. Each one leads to the GitHub repository, where you can find installation instructions and documentation. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more content about AI tools and technology. Hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.